it's unique because it's the first program of its kind in the country. We are actually giving dual credit for the FAA certification of the generals. Having a unique opportunity to be in this industry, it's one of the exciting things that marvels society. And to be able to be a part of that, especially behind the scenes, I mean, that's phenomenal.
Being able to go to a school like this young, and have a hangar right outside your classroom, it's so unique. And I actually wanted to come to AIM after I graduated high school, so once I heard that this was an opportunity that I could have now, I was so excited.
It gives a lot of exposure. We get into pneumatics, we get into welding, we get into hydraulics, we work with jet propulsion. So engineering and science is all a part of what we do.
Talking about how a plane works and how it flies and getting to apply that is really unique, because I'm in ROTC and we talk about the science of flight, but now I actually get to see how it works and why it works and what I need to do to make that happen, and it's really great.
To have the partnerships and give the exposure to where students can have an opportunity to really explore solid careers, high in demand paying careers. So this is very, very unique and a great opportunity for our city and also our students.